Wow, excited and nervous at the same time because I've been nominated. I don't know how that happened. So yeah, both excited and nervous.
तो बॉलीवुड में से आपको सबसे ज़्यादा फैशनेबल और स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है, वन एक्टर एंड वन एक्ट्रेस?
I think the ever eternal style icon for me when it comes to actresses will be Sushmita Sen. I think nobody can come even close to her. And Mr. Bachchan, you can't get close to him.
क्या कुछ बोलना? अब तो शाम को देख के ही बताएंगे, अभी कैसे कहते हैं भाई? हैं? जी किसको? अरे संदेश देना बहुत बड़े लोगों का काम है। देश की जनता बहुत समझदार है और लोग समझते हैं कि उसे वो बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हैं, वो बनती नहीं। युवाओं से तो मैं संदेश लेना चाहता हूँ भाई, उन्हें क्या संदेश देना? Well, I wish a very, very happy, colorful Holi to everybody. It's really, I mean, we say when we want to praise something, we say he is a very colorful person or she is a very colorful person, those were colorful days. But it is never more true than about Holi. Holi is really colorful. So, very happy Holi to everyone.
Yes, very. Undoubtedly Sonam Kapoor. I think she's a style icon and I think she's revolutionized the entire scenario of fashion. I really like Hugh Jackman and Ryan Gosling, but I know my Salman Khan. I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Holi. Please save water, play with eco-friendly dry colors, and that's about it. Happy Holi. बहुत ही जनरल क्वेश्चन है, आप थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन पूछिए। आज की शाम के बारे में बताइए, क्या बोलूँ। अगर बात करें थोड़े ओल्डर जनरेशन की, तो मिस्टर बच्चन इज़ डेफिनेटली द मोस्ट स्टाइलिश एक्टर। यंगर जनरेशन में आई लाइक रणवीर सिंह, आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश, एंड कंगना इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश। सारे दर्शकों को होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। प्लीज़ बी सेफ एंड एंजॉय योरसेल्फ। थैंक यू। I'm very excited because style has become a very integral part of the film industry and the television industry. So I'm very excited to be here. I think India mein, I think Sonam's just pushed all the boundaries. So I absolutely give it to her for being the style diva of our country. मैं सारे दर्शकों को होली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। विशिंग ऑल द व्यूअर्स अ वेरी सेफ एंड अ हैप्पी होली। प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट वाटर। मैंने जो आउटफिट पहना है वो जैकेट डिज़ाइन की है सोनाक्षी राज ने। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू हर फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग माई ड्रेस लुक। थैंक यू। क्या?
How much excited you are about today's?
I'm excited. I like the HD Awards a lot. I've come here before, and yeah, it's going to be fun.
The most stylish actor.
Who are the most stylish? I don't know. There are a lot of stylish people. I think Kangana is very stylish. I think Neha Dhupia is very stylish. I think Ranveer Singh is outrageously stylish. I think Ranveer is understatedly stylish. Happy Holi, everybody. I hope you have a very safe and beautiful Holi and get very colored and stay happy and stay peaceful.
Batman vs Superman is releasing next week. So who's your favorite superhero?
Batman. Batman is coolest. Just because, I don't know why, I just have always, I think it's because there's also the Joker, and the Joker is so awesome. I think the Batman series is... Yeah, I'm releasing, we're coming out with a film called Waiting on the 29th of April. It's me and Nasiruddin Shah. It's a drama about people waiting in hospital rooms. So that's coming out at the end of April, and I just finished shooting Konkana's first film, Death in the Gunj. Thank you.
Hi, hello.
I'm excited for the evening.
Oh, very excited. It's all about style and fashion, and I personally really enjoyed it. So yeah, definitely.
तो बॉलीवुड में आपको सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है, एक एक्टर और एक एक्ट्रेस में?
She has to be Sonam Kapoor. I think she is fantastic. I adore the way she dresses, and of course Ranveer. He's just crazy. Like he can wear anything and look amazing.
Yeah, you just take this. Come on.
अरे क्या कहूँगा, अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं वैसा नहीं करता, बट आई थिंक वन शुड कैरी योर सेल्फ वेरी वेल, वन शुड ड्रेस अप वेल, बिकॉज आई थिंक द फर्स्ट impression anybody gets is the one when you look at a person. That's the whole idea. So yes, and being any profession, to be dressed up is a nice thing.
Most stylish actor.
आपको बॉलीवुड में सबसे स्टाइलिश एक्टर
तुम क्या बाकी लोगों से पिटवाना चाहते हो? आई थिंक अमिताभ बच्चन है. आई थिंक हैप्पी होली, एंजॉय सर. प्लीज़ वो ख़राब वाले कलर मत यूज़ करना. मैं जब पॉलिटिशियन बनूंगा तब दूंगा.
Aisha, Batman versus Superman next week.
Batman versus Superman. I'll tell you something. I love both of them. It's like Superman when I was a big kid, and the moment I realized the dark side of life, I started liking Batman. So I love both of them. It's going to be a tough fight. I think I'll win. I'll fight them.
सर आपके मुन्ना भाई भी आ रहे हैं सर, आज तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं.
Excited for the evening,
Yes, very excited.
sir. बॉलीवुड में से आपको सबसे स्टाइलिश एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस कौन सा?
एक्टर मैं और एक्ट्रेस बिपाशा बासु. Thank you. जी. Holy plans is not to make too much mess and conserve water and be civil. Thank you.
Well, it's a very exciting evening, and I'm really excited to be here, to meet all my friends, and to be a part of the show. Actor में Mr. अमिताभ बच्चन और एक्चुअली रणवीर सिंह, सोनम कपूर. Well, आप सबको होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. A very very happy Holi to everybody, and thank you.
First to hear the newlyweds. Just back from our honeymoon. But it's fantastic to be here at the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards, because Hindustan Times itself is a very stylish paper, and I think their choice of stylish people will be excellent. And I'm delighted and grateful to be invited by them, and to be here with my new wife, Parveen, after 10 years of togetherness. So bless you all and bless us. Thank you. जी?
सबसे स्टाइलिश.
बॉलीवुड के स्टाइलिश एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस, ये अभी फैसला होगा, अभी मेरे देखेंगे.
नहीं, बट फेवरेट है, हमारा एक फेवरेट है. हमको रणवीर सिंह बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. He's very reverent. We like his style.
रणवीर सिंह की बात कर रहे हैं. रणवीर सिंह is very stylish, very irreverent. We like that.
Yeah, we like his style.
Imran Khan is pretty hot too.
Imran Khan's a great wrestler.
होली बस जश्न मनाइए, सब कुछ भूल जाइए, बस होली में भूल जाइए, रंग पे रंग फैलाइए, मजे करिए. गॉड ब्लेस.
Ambassador is excited for the evening service.
Very excited. मैं पता नहीं कोई संदेश दे सकता हूँ कि नहीं, उस काबिल उस लायक हूँ कि नहीं, बट स्टाइल आई थिंक इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फैशन. आई थिंक पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्टाइल एंड फैशन. I somehow like Batman more now.
आपको बॉलीवुड में जो सबसे फैशनेबल एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस
जैकी श्रॉफ. एक्ट्रेस बहुत है यार. देयर आर टू मेनी स्टाइलिश एक्ट्रेसेस. आई थिंक स्मिता पाटिल वाज वेरी स्टाइलिश. आज मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बसंत की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ सबको, सारे देशवासियों को. और होली मेरा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है. एंजॉय इट एज मच एज आई विल. थैंक यू. जी वेरी एक्साइटेड है. स्टाइल अवार्ड है, ये एक मौका मिलता है कि सब लोग अपने बेस्ट ड्रेसेस पहन के आते हैं. यू सी एवरीवन ड्रेस्ड अप रियली वेल, सो बहुत एक्साइटेड. स्टाइलिश और वैसे दोनों में ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है. बिकॉज इफ यू आर स्टाइलिश यू फैशनेबल, इफ यू आर फैशनेबल यू इवन स्टाइलिश, तो दे बोथ सॉर्ट ऑफ गो हैंड इन हैंड.
And so, what Bollywood actor and actress you should find very stylish or fashionable in Bollywood?
Actor, I find Abhishek very stylish. Actress, I would think Deepika is very stylish. Katrina is very stylish. Parinita is very stylish. अभी तो फिलहाल मेरे हाथ में बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं है, खाली है. Done?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Huh? Yes, very excited. Style Awards. I'm not always comfortable with style-related stuff. It's an acquired talent of mine. So I just hope that it goes well. I hope that whatever I've learned in the last 1 year, 2 years is kind of acknowledged and appreciated now.
You have learned so much of it now.
Yes.
More confident saying that I'm getting whatever is comfortable for.
It's definitely better, but like I've said, I'm still a work in progress. I'm still working on myself. So once I'm absolutely 100% confident in my body, I think that's the day I can say yes to that.
How was Dubai?
Dubai was amazing. I've gone back and forth twice to Dubai this week. But a lot of fun. I hosted the show, so it was very hectic but very fulfilling, and just got to meet the industry. And that's the thing about these awards, you get to sit together, party together, enjoy your life together, so it's always fun.
Aditi, Batman vs Superman next week. So
Oh yeah?
what are you rooting for and why?
I didn't even know it was releasing next week, I have to say, but I think I'm going to be working. I've started prep on Meri Pyari Bindu now, so like everything else has taken a back seat now, so I will answer it once I watch it, if I get the time.
बॉलीवुड में से आपको सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है? वन एक्टर वन एक्ट्रेस?
मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं पता है. मैं फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ. हाँ. Holy, yes. Don't trouble people. I know these hooligans on the street. Sometimes they throw eggs and they throw tomatoes and they throw all kinds of things. Please don't do that. Play with water. Try and save as much water as you can, but you can have a little bit of fun. Play with colors. Play with dry colors and have loads of fun. Thank you, guys. Thank you.